windy. I don't know how good this is going to work, but I figured I'd give you an update. I was having problems where this was reading low voltage. Thought it was the voltage regulator. I ordered a new voltage regulator. Well, when I hooked that up, nothing up here. This was dead. And I guess when I went way deep in the water, I thought that I saved this by putting it in rice, but turns out it just died altogether. So I took it all back to stock, took this off, put the stock stuff back on, took it in for warranty. They said the stock voltage regulator was good and that it was just the gauge that was bad. So after 3 weeks, they gave me a new gauge. And just another update, I need to extend these vent lines up. That should be pretty easy. I'll let you grease my spark plug wires. I just had some problems with that just a little while ago. Other than that though, nothing on this bike. I mean, I thought I had an issue with the voltage regulator, but that was totally self-induced because I went too deep for that gauge and it killed it. Other than that, no problems out of this thing yet. Rogue, this looks really good when it's clean, not like this. Rogue aftermarket radiator hood, Bab Industries snorkels. I just painted these orange. It's a model paint. It's like $1.50. Brushed it on there. I say no problems, but my fans, they don't stop running. I've washed this thing out 100 times. Checked the level. It's good. These, it's loud as shit. Like loud. They are, seems to be always running. I don't know what the deal is with that. Maybe it needs to be bled. I haven't bled it yet, so maybe that's it. But other than that, this thing's been pretty good. The belt has been good. No leaks in the belt. I know that's a common problem. I ain't had none of that yet. You just seen in this video, or in the last video, these aren't as secure as I like them to be, the lock and ride ones. So who knows if I'm going to lose that on there. Overall though, pretty happy. I got these Rogue Grips. Can't say enough good things about that. That's the only other thing I've done to it. I might put some wheel spacers on there. Maybe a 2-inch lift, but I don't know, because I haven't really needed it much. I haven't broke no axles, no diffs, no nothing, so I kind of want to leave it as stock as possible. We'll see though. Alright, well, that's your update. I'll update it more as I go on.